This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. It's the evening feeding on April 11th. Put Charlie's stuff in my pocket. These are extra cashews. I take her walnuts. My little ducks are there. I saw at least 2 fly in. And of course that's for that. Now, we'll see what happens. It's about 7 o'clock. Hey, baby. Here. There you go. Get a little bit of grain there. Anyway. Yeah, interesting encounter today. See, the city, by putting that sign with the red circle with the line through it, which always means not allowed. Okay, by doing that and the picture of the bird, that's why these people are reacting. It is totally misleading, and that's why we're having this kind of reaction. That's all they see, that's all they know. We'll put this down over here in a new place. I don't know if this video, how it's going to turn out. It's raining pretty hard, but we'll put it down here. Here's our little ducks. I see 3. Okay, so that keeps the people off. Like I say, something happened here at 5 o'clock. I saw it from my window. Notarzt. That's the ambulance. That's the emergency doctor. And usually an ambulance follows after that. Okay. Let's put out our peanuts. Yeah. I had some nice suggestions. We're going to work on what we can do about the birds. Because you know, eventually I will be locked down here. Just a matter of time. So, anyway, there we have it. We have our food there. We have our food for the crows. And it looks like they're not coming down the field, which means something must have happened here, which is what I saw from my window. You know, they're harassing the birds here when I'm not here. I think we have a lot of proof of that. Tire tracks and all sorts of things. So, the good thing about the rain is that it keeps the bird haters down. That's why I love it. But I've always loved the rain. I've always loved the rain. Stay out in the rain for hours. I don't know. When I was younger and I was a Girl Scout, I used to take canoe trips. And sometimes it'd be pouring rain in the Pine Barrens in New Jersey and other places. And the other girls didn't like it too much, but I loved it. I love the rain. I don't know what to say. I don't see Charlie here coming here, but it was very hectic this morning with Jeremy the hawk being here. So I think we'll just throw our stuff out right here. Charlie knows where to get it. Charlie comes here anyway. So this is Charlie's spot here. We'll throw it down here. Thank you for all your nice comments. I think it was very hard on Bryant today. There's Seymour and the crows lining up. It was very hard on him. And his nerves are getting very frazzled. Normally he doesn't raise his voice, but he's getting very frustrated. And yeah, so I'm a little bit more passive. For me, it's just laughable. It's idiotic, this whole thing. Like I say, a city of 18,000 people, and you have these people just preoccupied with feeding starving birds. I just don't understand it. I just don't get it. And so for me, I mean, obviously, I have to take it somewhat seriously, but I don't take the people seriously. How can I? I cannot relate to this at all in any way, shape, or form. So, I'm going to get out of the rain here. We'll see if Charlie shows up. We got crows on the field. We got ducks on the field. I'm sure Luca is one of them. These bags are always so hard to get open, but they have the best cashews. For me, Norma has the best cashews in town. So, we'll throw this down over here. Here we go. There we go. We'll see. I don't know if Charlie will come. It's been very, very tough. We're going to shut down right now because my lens is getting wet. This is DC Danton, Crow Crusader, wishing you a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.